No, sir. I smell the alcohol before I even taste it.
Yes.
Yeah. I feel like I can get drunk off of just sniffing it.
I can.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella for those of you who don't know, and this is Just Nella. Now if you're new here on Just Nella, we do travel vlogs, we do lifestyle advice and medical content, and one or two story times and hauls. Lots and lots of hauls. Now if any of these are things that you're interested, then hit the like button and don't forget to comment, share and subscribe as we continue to grow our family together. Now in today's video we are going on a road trip. It's been a while since I've done one of those, and honestly it's time. It is time. So in today's video, as I mentioned, is a road trip. But before we start the video, I want to give a shout out to my subscriber of the day, who would be linked right here. Thank you so much for your continued support, and I appreciate you. I love you. You the best. You the baddest. You amazing. And let's get into the video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back. So we have made it to the Hampden Estate for the rum tour, and I can already smell the rum brewing in the air. Everything smells fabulous. Here behind me, as you enter, you see this little distillery kind of thing right there, and I have my mask. Don't think I'm just being bad, but you guys hear me better without it. And so we're gonna go and take the tour. I'm here with a few other bloggers. I'll show you guys along the way, and you can check them out and subscribe to their channels. Follow them on Instagram and on their blogging platform, because it is work. It takes work to do this, and it takes work for us to continue, and we appreciate your support in every step of the way. Alright guys, so I am about to head in and give you guys a little bit of a scenic view around the place. So hopefully you enjoy the tour, and don't forget to do what? You can say it with me: like, comment, share and subscribe. Alright guys, let's go. Alright, let's go. So those noisy bongos are the peacocks that are on the property. This is the home right there. Over there you can view. We're going to be going all of this, but I just want you to see how beautiful and scenic this place is. It's like bye bye. It is beautiful. Let me put on my mask. I already got my temperature checked and I got sanitized, so I'm gonna just put back on my mask before I head over there with the general humankind. Safety first, and let's go. And at the entrance you have the beautiful receptionist who welcomes us, does our temperature checks, give us some sanitize, and yeah.
a Hampden rum. Factories produce and sell. We produce to order, right? So if you see us making some rum right now, someone already purchased. Oh, purchased rum, right?
They are on the stock market. Cool. I can invest.
No.
So there, my friends, is the Hampden Estate Great House. We can't go in, but it's beautiful from afar. Here is the lawns. I feel like more come here. Look how beautiful this place is. Damn.
Completely. Not because I work here. Not because I work here. Hampden rum smell like nothing I've ever drank in my life.
Enter to Rum. Safety first. Hard hats must be worn at all times. I'm not going to lie. The sun is hot. The body is hotter, but the sun is still hot. Very much so.
At this point, recording we cannot do. Okay. But when I'm finished, I'm going to give you a chance to take pictures of some places. Alright?
Bye guys. Influencers in their element.
I don't know.
Oh god, my hair looks like a mess. Alright guys, so we're heading to the Great House. We weren't able to film inside the actual... We weren't able to film inside the actual process of the factory, but this is outside the Great House. We can't go inside, but we can get a good view. Views, we say. Oh. And everybody's doing their content thing. And this is the Great House. 6 bedrooms, multiple baths, AC, Wi-Fi, and a bar in every room. God, I tell you, life I need to live.
Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
So here are the steps of the Great House. We can't go inside, but I'll bring you as close as I possibly can. And this is it, as far as I can go. So we're heading off to lunch. The breeze just look kind of feel nice, I swear. Guys, so this is a lunch. Thank you so much. We get jerk pork with festival, jerk chicken pork, and everybody's doing the creator thing. Follow her at What's New at the Menu and Pink Peach, Foodie, Adventures from Hell, and Epic Tours.
You don't want to hear it?
And of course, me at As Told by Nella. Hi girls, you can join us for lunch.
pricey, but it's worth it.
This is why alcohol is an expensive habit to have.
It is very good.
Alcohol addiction. I can't do it, you know. Tired of the traveling.
Tasting it,
I feel like I kind of get drunk off of this smooth.
I can't agree. I forgot to do that video again. Yes, I can. Do the video again.
Yes, Lord, it is I. It is I or no. I'm happy that I know you. Thank you, Jesus, for saving my life because this Rumfire is clearly trying to take it. How much percent alcohol is in this?
63.
63%. For all you, well, I didn't finish mine, so I would like, please. So all of you rum heads out there, 63%, if you'd like. Those of us who are not, those of us who are not, I got a little chaser. Okay. Yeah. I'm not built for the life. I can recommend lime juice, limeade, squeeze. I don't want to call any brands because I want to use limeade from another.
Oh, Squeeze is a brand? I thought that is the name. Sorry. I had a moment there.
I can recommend
Let's
limeade.
delete that video.
I can recommend limeade as a chaser. It tastes great. It's limeade. So should we finish this? Guys, doing you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't think I can be a co-pilot going on now. I think I got to go switch places with Russell.
How are you feeling, Monifo?
Fine.
Rochelle is good, Monifo is good, but Vanessa is feeling the burn. The fire reacher.
Factory.
Alright, so this is the Hampden.
Woody kind of.
So the aged in Jack Daniel bourbon barrel.
French.
This smells sweet. This smells very sweet. I like it. Let's see if I like the taste.
It doesn't hurt my eyes.
It has a nice aftertaste. A nice sweetness, a nice texture. Easy to go down. Definitely recommend it. I don't know what's going on for the Rumfire, but it's not for me. But this I can recommend.
Most people I know is afraid of rum. This is the only rum in the it gets hotter. But it's really good.
friend. To tell a friend. To tell a friend. To subscribe. Alright, so this is outfit of the day. This top is from Shein. It's a white with some mesh. These capris, army capris, and these red shoes. I think it's cute. And these sunglasses. Looking cute, looking cute. They don't mind the hair, it don't make sense, but it's alright. Me and the palm tree match. Check my hair. Check the palm tree hairs. Twinning.
Gotcha.
Twinning.
Gotcha.
And we are leaving Hampden Estate. Thank you guys for watching.